Let's try to solve this SQL problem. It's given a table transaction. This contains an ID, that is the primary key, a column country, as a state, amount, and transaction date. The records represent some transactions. The state column is an enum column with two possible values, approved and declined. The request of the problem is write a SQL query to find for each month and country the number of transactions and their total amount, the number of approved transactions and their total amount. And we have to return the result table in any order. And the query result format should be the one in the following example. So there should be the following columns: month, country, trans count, approved count, trans total amount, and approved total amount. This is the select query, and the exercise is asking to group by month and country. It is possible to define the variable month using the function toChar, where that we can use for basically changing the values of trans date in this way. Basically, from the trans date values we are keeping only the years and the month, and we are excluding the day. In the trans count variable, basically we want to count the number of transactions for each month and country. So I can write count ID as trans count. In the approved count, I want only select the rows for each month and country that have a state approved, so I can write count case when state is equal to approved, then 1, else 0. Using count here is wrong, because in this way we are counting all the records, but we should use sum. For the trans total amount, again we can use sum to aggregate the values of amount. Basically we are summing all the amounts for each month and country. And for the last variable, approved total amount, we can again use sum, but this time we aggregate only for the approved amounts using case again. In SQL is wrong using double quotes for strings, so I have to change it because I get an error. But using single quotes now it works.